why can't I find it? What if it's lost? Oh,
What are you looking for?
Avatar World Game Book.
Oh, you should have just asked. Here you go. I used it to fix a wobbly table in my room.
Sammy, it's my book. Use something that's yours.
Yeah, sorry about that. I'll never do it again.
Okay, fine. So, wanna play it with me?
Did you really need to ask? Sure, I want to.
Just look at this. How cool is this cover, right? And the book itself?
Let me see. Ugh, I'm so sticky. Gotta go wash up.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Wow, look at this, friends. Her hair seems to be too long.
Look, where, Sue? I can't see anything.
Oh! Here, let me help you.
Thanks, that's better.
This girl must feel uncomfortable too, but we can easily help her out.
Hey, my hair is gone, but this hat is on?
Oh, you're right. We've got a hat here too. And lots more. Check out these pumpkin fake glasses. And I just love this headband with horns. Now, let's try something else. Wait a minute. Where is the…
Spider! Take it off me. I don't feel great.
Sammy, it's made of paper. Here, let me put it back. Oh, it really looks good on you, girl. Okay, let's keep going. Wow.
Yummy! Huh? Why is it tasteless?
Oh, Sammy, this paper muffin is for this paper boy. See? Now I think he also wants to try this. How about dessert? Wow, he was really hungry.
Oh, is this a puzzle? Nah! Why can't I play with it?
Here, let me help. Awesome! And here we have… Aw, what a cutie!
I've got just the right thing here for that little kitty.
Huh? What do you have there, Sammy?
Some fresh, tasty milk.
No, it's a paper kitty. He needs only paper food. But the bowls are empty. Now that's better.
Sue? Does this paper cat celebrate Paper Halloween?
Absolutely. Look at all these cute outfits. I like this pumpkin costume the best. We also have this funny-looking hat. Oh, I got it. It's a scarecrow costume. And there is also this cute little outfit. What was that?
Sorry, I just wanted to match, but I couldn't find a pumpkin my size.
You look great.
Sue, I'm ready for the next challenge. Turn the page.
Huh? How did you know we've got a coloring page? Let's get to it. Now, our little vampire here needs a bit of skincare and some makeup. A little bit of powder for a perfect skin tone. Now, just a few accents. And some lipstick, of course.
Wow! Great job, Susie!
Thanks! Oh, look who we've got here. They're both so cute.
And both aren't dressed for the weather.
That's right. But look, they have Halloween costumes here.
Dibs on the big bad wolf costume. Is it supposed to be like this?
Not exactly. I'll help you. Voila! This way, he looks much better.
Maybe it was my artistic vision.
Well, of course. Now take a look.
Wow, Susie, she looks so cute. Do we get to decorate the room too?
Of course. It looks awesome, right? Like this video if you agree.
I totally love it, Susie. Can we please make the same game book for Barbie?
Why not? And you will give it to her for her upcoming birthday. First, we need to prepare pages for our future book. It's pretty simple. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. Now, we'll bend them in half.
I think you're gonna need this, Sue. Catch!
Careful! Huh, actually, it turned out great.
Here comes the magic of true art. And it's done in a blink of an eye.
Whoa, I could really use that marker at school. Next, we'll deal with the outlines.
How is it going? Sue, I'm not paper.
I know. I'm so sorry.
I'd better take a shower.
That was bad. Luckily, I've already drawn all the outlines. Up next is coloring. I need the green marker.
Green, you say? Here you go.
Thank you, Sammy. Oh! What? Yellow?
Sweet, sweet revenge!
Fine, I get it. It's because I drew on you. I hope now we're good.
Of course we're good. I'll even help you with coloring. Now who's the best painter? Sam is.
You definitely are. These are all very cool. Now, could you also help me with this?
No problem. I'm a super fast slime, and I colored everything on my own. Yes, all by myself.
Really? And who's that?
Nobody. So what do you need next, Sue? Scissors? Here they are.
Wow. Bravo, Sammy.
Sue, we forgot about the tape.
Oh, you're right. Now, that's better. Alrighty, this is done. Here comes the next page.
Sue, save me! The duck has found me! It wants revenge!
Huh. Oh, wow, that's handy.
Can we assemble the book yet?
Sure, but first, we need to protect it too.
Wait, let me check. Uh-huh. Sue, something doesn't add up.
You didn't let me finish yet. Now watch closely.
Whoa, Sue, the winter has come.
Just in time. I need this snow to stuff our book. Here we go.
But Sue, won't it melt and spoil everything?
Sammy, it's not the real snow. Look how squishy it is now.
Oh, you're right. I'll help.
Wow, that was super fast and efficient, Sammy.
Sue, wait. Now the pages are mixed.
Don't worry, we can easily place them in order. Here we go.
Oh, they all look so nice and colorful. Whoopsie!
It's okay, we just need to fix them together.
And here's a cute clasp I made.
Well done, Sammy. Let me just work it up a bit.
Sue, why wouldn't they stay put? Ugh.
I know exactly what to do. Make sure that these two pieces hold tight together. Great! Now we can attach the back cover piece. Check this out! The cover of the game book is completely done. So, we can move on to the… Ah! Sam, you scared me!
That was the plan?
Anyway, let's keep going. We need to mark the spots where the inside pages will be.
And I brought you the tape.
Thanks, just in time. Well, it's done. We did great.
Sue, help me, please.
Oh, poor thing. Let me save you.
Ouch!
Okay, the clasp goes here. And look how handy it is. All the pages stay put.
Finally, it's time to fill up the book with all the pretty thingies.
That's right. And this hairdo comes first. Now the second page. And here we have this hungry fella. Next comes the puzzle. This is the kitty's book spread. We're almost done here, friends.
Took that candy. Just one. I unwrapped it.
I've never heard such a boring story.
Then I took a cookie.
Sorry, Sammy, but you're gonna have to finish your story later. And the Avatar World Gamebook is ready. Who wants to check it out once more?
For you.
Why, thank you.
You know, it's such a great game book. You won't even believe how great it is.
Sammy, stop being greedy. It's her birthday present.
Okay, it's for you. Happy birthday!
Wow, it's the best present ever. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it.
Guys, if you like our craft too, subscribe and give this video a like. See you soon.
See you around, people, and thanks for watching.